Hi friends. So it's really nice out today. It's probably in the 70s, maybe low 80s. So I've got over here just kind of keeping an eye on things, looking at it. It rained last night, so that kept me from having to water. Thank goodness, because I'm getting tired of watering. And I got tomato plants. They're doing pretty good. I'm just kind of going through, looking at them. And this is my serranos. And my tomatoes. I think these are my little cherries. Yes, they're my little cherry tomatoes. This one right here. My little cherry tomatoes. Need another tomato plant. And these are supposed to be tomatoes. We'll see what happens. But I really don't know if they're going to do anything. It's pretty late in the season. And these are supposed to be tomato plants for your patio. And you can see right here, I got tomatoes right there. This is another tomato plant. And it's doing good. You can see right there. These are tomato plants. And then my broccoli and cauliflower are right in here. They just got planted. I'll water them tonight again. Just so that way, you know, they're ready. But it looks like this one got stepped on, probably by my dog. You can see right there. And they're just trying to get established, so they're not going to look very happy right now. And these are my zucchini and squash and cucumbers are right here. Here's another cherry tomato right here. So, and then broccoli or cauliflower right there. And then I don't see no life in these, but we just planted them, so I don't expect to. And then here's my blackberries. No, actually, these are my blueberries. They're coming back good, so I'm happy about that. And then my water fountain. It's for the dogs and the animals to drink out of. And then my raspberries, my lettuce. And I had a surprise earlier. They're here. I'll separate them, but when they get a little bigger. But these are Swiss chard coming up. And I think that's it on the Swiss chard coming up so far. And then lettuce. Lettuce likes to be in shade, so we're going to go ahead and just shade them up. I need to mow my lawn again, but I don't want to do too much, you know, kill my grass. We're still trying to get it all to come back in, and you can see, and we've been seeding it now, I don't know, 2 years in a row. We'll seed it again. So that's my plants out back, and there's my best friend. There's my other best friend. My clothesline broke, so I'm having to hang everything up out here. It's working though. Everything's pretty much almost dry. Yeah, it's almost dry. The fence can come in good use for something. So that's what my garden looks like out here. I'm probably going to be bringing back my eggplant to the back, only because it really does not like the sun. And I thought it wasn't going to get a lot of sun up there, but apparently it does. So I'll bring it back here and replant it, and probably plant it in those buckets over there that doesn't. Hey, I don't see any tomato plants coming up. So if I start to see them after I plant those in there, then I'll just relocate the tomatoes. It's kind of like doing a start at the house, you know, inside your house, and then I'll just bring them. So, and I'll put them up front because they like it up there. So that's the update on my garden. I still have to do these, and then I have some mulch. I'm thinking about mulching that over there. We'll see. So I've had a couple of questions about how I felt about bucket gardening, and to be honest with you, I think bucket gardening is not as good as sowing the land and then putting it in ground, but we'll see. So you see here is my eggplant, and you can see it's just not happy here, so I will probably relocate it. There's the other one. Probably do that here in a little bit and put it in the back. And then that's my grass, that ornamental grass. And I still have tomato plants. They're coming up. So we'll see what happens with that. And I got a little tomato plant right there and one right there. So if that other one produces, those other 3 buckets produce tomato plants, I'll bring them out here. And then I have my mint right here. And then my green beans are right here. And then my front up here, I wasn't seeing anything come up, so, but I do see something right there. What is that? Is that one of mine? Is that one of mine? Let's see. That might be a sunflower. And I think I see one right there too. We kind of made the sticks go up a little bit. You can see a little bit of green right there. And let's see. Oh, that is not a sunflower right there. That is not a sunflower. All right, get rid of it. And so far, that's all I see. I don't see any more sunflowers. That's okay. We'll see how it goes. So it looks like we have some stuff starting to come up. And I think they were just waiting for the warmer weather. But we'll see. And again, I'm not going to worry about it this year. My husband told me not to worry about it. So I'm not going to. This right here, it's my chives. So we'll see what happens. I've been a pretty big stickler about not running that AC very often. With the utility bills going up as high as they are, I don't want to mess with it. I'd rather sit and sweat and be miserable than mess with it. So okay, friends, well, this is the update on the garden, and I can take you on, you can see on the outskirts of what it looks like. I gotta get those out of my wheel wells. I don't know why they keep getting down in there. I keep killing them and they keep coming back. But this is what my garden looks like from the outside, looking in. Definitely a bigger garden than I did have last year, so get your nose out of it. But we'll see. But that's what it looks like. This fencing was so nice. It allows the dogs to play without me having to be out here continuously and worry about stray dogs coming in and fighting, you know, my dogs, or, you know, we have foxes, we have coyotes, we have deer. So the fencing was nice. It's a 5-footer, I believe. I think it's 5 feet. So this is my Doberman. Her name is Mocha. She doesn't have her ears done or her tail. We got her when she was too old to have that done, which is fine. We like the natural look anyways. But she's on protect mode / hunt, and I figured you guys would enjoy seeing a video. So I plan on moving the eggplants right there, so that way I can have them. I'll do that today once I get my back to stop hurting some. It's always going to hurt, but at least take some of the edge off of it. We'll be picking some of that lettuce today, so that way we can have maybe some a salad. And that's it. Nothing special, just my way of offsetting our bills a little bit. We're not using the AC, but very rare, and those would have to be extreme cases. The heater, I didn't take it above 62 degrees, and sometimes while my husband was either asleep or at work, I would kick it down to 45, 50. So it is what it is. I mean, you gotta compensate for this high inflation and the utility costs and all that. That's it. Okay, friends. Well, if you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button so you can get more content as that happens. And make sure you hit that notification bell and click on all, so that way you can get everything that I do. I do answer all questions in the comments. I'm very vigilant about that. And, okay. Well, you guys take care, friends.